guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to reduce background noise in Rode Wireless Go 2. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there's a bunch of things that you could try here to reduce the background noise that you're getting from your Rode Wireless Go 2. So first is you might want to adjust the camera's gain control. Now, you want to first set your camera's audio gain control to manual mode instead of automatic. Now, the reason behind this is automatic gain control, or AGC, tends to boost background noise, now which in this case you don't want. So by manually adjusting to gain, or the gain here, you have the better control over your audio levels. Now, next is you might want to lower the input gain on your Wireless Go 2. Now, you want to go to your Wireless Go 2 receiver, and you'll see the gain control measured in decibels, dB. Now, you want to start with low settings, like around 30 dB, or negative 30 dB to negative 21 dB, and see whichever fits. And if you need more volume, gradually increase it, but keep in mind that higher gain picks up more background noise. So that's why we put this on the negative side. Now, to adjust this, just press the dB button on the receiver, usually in here. Now, you want to go and tweak it until you find the right balance between clarity and background noise reduction. Next is you might want to use the windshield or outdoor for outdoor recording. Now, if you're recording outside, always attach the furry windshield or shields that is for your microphone. Now, without it, the mic will pick up a lot of wind and ambient sound here, making the audio messy. So some people remove it and forget to put it back on, but trust me, this makes a lot of difference. And also, you want to make sure that you place the mic correctly. Now, position the mic around 5 to 10 centimeters or 2 to 4 inches from your mouth. So this keeps your voice as the primary sound source here, and you minimize any unwanted background noise. Now, if the mic is too far away, it'll pick up more of the environment sound here. So in this case, just make sure it's properly positioned. Also, avoid noisy environments, so try to keep the mic away from noise sources like fans, air conditioners, or traffic. So the closer the mic to your mouth here, the better it isolates your voice from everything else around you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.